everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another bath bomb. And parents, this one's another one of our kids. So gather your kids around. Boy, girl, it does not matter. This one's going to be a lot of fun. And we have some pretty colors and a really cool bath bomb mold that we're going to use today. So let's get going. Let's sift our ingredients. Parents, just so you know, these are good for 3 years and older and up. We are adding citric acid, baking soda, and cornstarch into our bath bombs. I am doing this as a demo, so I'm not going to use gloves today. I've been using them all morning and they've been really hard to use. When I do your bath bombs, when you order them, I do wear gloves, so don't worry about that. I like my PPE, my personal protection equipment, so I do use it, but I'm just doing this as a demo, so we'll just leave it at that. Dagnabbit, I forgot to grab a tray for this, so we're going to grab that tray here in just a second. All right, here we go. Looks like these just don't want to go through. You get that occasionally, we'll just throw that over there and we won't worry about it. All right, so this bath bomb is going to be, what should I name this one? Let me open up the, all right, let me open this up and we'll, The original scent is called Fairy Dust. And it's really cool. It's a boy-girl scent. I really like it. So we're going to do this one. We're doing this star mold. I'll pull this out so you guys can see it. And I think I'm just going to do this without that. I'm just going to press them together myself. Okay. What shall we name this one? Twinkle, twinkle, little star? No. Oh, we'll just make them and we'll figure it out. They're definitely going to be yellow. What I like about this, okay, let me back up a little bit. These molds come from Kata Molds. They do have a star pattern, but what I like about these is there's a little hole here at the bottom, right here, and if you look really close, see if I can line those up, you can turn these into lollipops for anybody that's interested in getting these. I absolutely love these molds. I've used these star molds before. It's been a while since I've done it, but I thought, hey, let's make some really cool kid bath bombs with these because I know kids will love it. And I think we're going to call this Starry Twinkles? Oh, Stardust. Stardust? I'll think about it. That one's a really hard one to come up with. Okay, and my coloring is, if anybody's interested, we're using Pot of Gold mica from Mad Micas. I absolutely love their micas. If you're interested in their micas, let me add a little bit more because I want these to be really dark. But I have another source for my micas, so I'm going to be using these up and they're going to be going away, unfortunately. And because this is such a sparkly one, we're going to do this really pretty neon that's going to brighten this up a little bit. And we're going to put this all through here. And then we're also going to coat our molds with the glitter also. So this will be really cool. Okay, so let's get this color mixed up. Oh, I really like that. That's going to look really pretty together. Twinkling star, maybe? Oh, I just cannot make my mind up on this one. It's one of those really hard ones. It's a really pretty yellow though when we're done. All right, so let's get our ingredients together. Get my water here in the bin. Done. See if I can measure my polysorbate. This polysorbate has gotten super thick on me. My house has been a little bit on the cold side, so I haven't really been able to work with it much. I'll just add it in. I know my measurement's right, but it went up the tube. It bubbled up, so I must not have gotten all the bubbles out of it. All right, so let's put that in there. A little bit of the hemp seed. Yes, parents, this hemp seed oil is safe for kids 3 and up, the way I add it, so it's really cool. And then last but not least, let's add our, let's see, I have to figure out where my 3 is. I gotta get in there and mark these with a black marker because I can barely see it. Ooh, that's way too much. I can see that already. Put this down to where I want it. Dump that right in there. I'll lay that down because now we're done with it. All right, let's get to mixing this up here. Cap that in. Scent. The description of this one is on the website, so feel free to go and look. My hands are going to be a really cool yellow when we're done. Yes, I'm mixing this with my hands today. This is just the demo product. These will not be sold. Probably use it as a demo, maybe for TikTok. Maybe that's what I'll do with that. Okay, get all that out, which is what I usually do. My demos get to be used on TikTok and other places. You can find me on TikTok. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook. I actually have a Jemminz page. You can go check that out if you want to. All the links are down below, so feel free to go check that out. I haven't posted on TikTok in a really long time, and I actually have been wanting to. This is actually a really pretty yellow. I'm glad I grabbed this. I didn't want a too dark of a yellow, but I wanted one that would be just right. This is available on the website at the time that you are viewing this, so please go get that. So there we go. All right, so let's put some glitter in the base here. I'm just going to glitter the one side. We're not going to do both sides. And we'll just lay that right on top there. I'm not going to use the plunger. I'm just going to use this way. Just going to do it lightweight here. And we're going to go smash, smash, smash. And hopefully these won't break on me. We'll see what we got. If I have to go use the other piece, I will. Okay, so tap, tap, tap. See if we can tap this out now. Oh, that loosened right up. Oh, it fell apart. Crap. Okay. Crap. Okay, this is really soft, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the polysorbate in it because I can feel it's not sticking because it's a little bit too wet. So how do you do that if you have that happen? I just literally just sprinkle more in. I'm going to actually bring this over so I don't get it in my other stuff. And I just sprinkle it all in there. All right. This should make it stick better. It felt a little dry when I did it originally, so. This feels much moisture. Yeah, that's holding together better even. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Okay, so that should stick together. And this time I am going to do this only because it seems to want to. Just glitter the one side. Never had a problem with these. I've used them before. Not quite sure why all of a sudden that stuck. I think it was because it was too dry. Notice I'm cleaning these edges up. This just makes it stick better. Turn that down, just turn it up just a little bit. There we go. That way you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm cleaning the edges off. Okay. Hopefully this will loosen up this time. Yep, it did. There we go. Look at that star. Oh my goodness. Let me put this back on. We'll flip it over. Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh, that side's not going to come up, so we're going to tap it out. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to very gently turn this over in my bucket. There we go. There's a pretty star. Put some more in there. Okay, let's put this down. Those turned out so cute. Now these will not be sold in, I don't think I'm going to sell these individually. I think I'll sell them in packs. Whatever I can get out of this pack. So it'll be $7.99 I think for the pack. But we'll see what happens. I'll see what I can do for price. Okay. These are turning out so good. These will dry up to be really super hard when they're done, which is really nice. There we go. There's another one. There we go. Next star. These are turning out so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with these. Oops, helps to put this back on. I think I'm going to get 4 of these out of there. Maybe 5. We'll see. These will be sold in the pack, so how many stars we get out of here is how many I will sell it as. Cleaning the edges off, just kind of cleaning them up a little bit. Helps make them look a little better. All right. Here's another one. It turned out really, really good. It looks like I'm going to get 5 little stars out of this. Cool. I have to tell you, just a little shout out to Jemminz if they're ever watch these videos. I absolutely love Jemminz. I have used a couple other molds, and these are truly superior to the others. I've had these molds now. I think I've had this one for 2 years, And I use it quite a bit in my vendor shows that I do locally. And I always sell out on them. There we go. The kids love these. All right, there's another one. I think we're going to get one more out of this. Let's see what we can get out of it. Well, this is cool. I have a lot left over here. I'm not going to use up the rest of that because this will get too thick if I do. Because this is pretty well packed. Yeah, I know I couldn't get 6, but I definitely got 5 out of this. And what I can do is I'll have to even them out a little bit better. And I can get them. I tried to be consistent, but consistent wise, they're all the same. They're all the same weight as one unit. So when I sell all 5 of these, they're pretty much the same weight. There we go. There's the final star. All right, so yeah, I got 5 stars out of these. These are absolutely beautiful little stars. Let me close that up. All right, I'm going to show you the end result there. So there you go. We got 5 little stars out of there. They will sell as 5 stars, not 1. So you'll be able to pick these up at the vendor shows if you see me in here, and if you're local. Otherwise, you can definitely get them on my website. I'm super excited to bring these out, and this is they're going to be called Star, Shining Star, maybe Glittery Star. I'll have the link down below. They'll be on the front page. You'll see what the new name is. I haven't quite got there yet, but we'll get there. Sometimes it just takes a little bit to kind of figure that out. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have a question or if you just want to connect with me. I'm always here. Customer service is #1. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.